Welcome. Today in front of me INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and after that we can see here all visible icons. If you want to add here some icons or options or just remove some of these options or just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon, and after that we can see here this invisible section with these icons which we can add. For example, let's use the dark mode icon. To add the icon, you should hold and drag it here to this up section. If you want to remove some icons from here by the same way, just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. And to change the position of the icons, just hold it and drag it by this way. And to save all the changes, tap to the back icon button, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.